Hi guys, welcome to the show. My name is Brian James and this is DB Automotive. A little bit different today, as you may have uh, figured out by the titling on the head page there. Yes, I'm being sued. Obviously, I can't get into a lot of details right now because I'm still in the process of moving this case through the courts. What I can tell you is that over 3 years ago, I sold a car. It had a brand new warrant of fitness put on it, and they're now suing me for, well, they were suing me for the princely sum of $16,000, which, quite frankly, I just don't have. Now, by law in New Zealand, well, to give you some background for those that don't come from New Zealand, uh, every 6 months, a car has to go in for a roadworthy check, which we call a warrant of fitness. In that, the mechanic, a designated mechanic who knows the law of New Zealand, will go through the car and he will make sure that it is safe to be on the road. And part of that is that there have been no illegal modifications made to the car because, hey, as young guys, we all like to play with the cars. But he'll make sure that all your lights are going, brake lights are going, your ball joints are all in safe condition, tie rod ends are in safe condition, you've got tread on your tyres. In New Zealand, you have to have a minimum of 1.5 millimeters of tread over 3/4 of the tyre, or it has to be in good condition. So you can have a tyre that is got lots of tread, but has got age cracking through it. Once again, that will be deemed as illegal, and it's the safety side of things. So um, every 6 months, or for newer cars, every 1 year, you have to take your car in for a warrant of fitness that shows that it is legal for the road. I sold this car to a very nice couple, and I had issued on the day that I delivered the car. I'd had a new warrant of fitness issued to it. It went through with no problems. Over 3 years later, they are coming back to me and they aren't happy with the deal and they're saying they want their money back. There is a lot more to it, obviously. There's always two sides to the story, and I do understand that. But at the moment, I can't tell you their side of the story, and I can't even really tell you my side of the story too much, other than they got a brand new car. Or that, no, sorry, they didn't get a brand new car. They got a old car that had a brand new warrant of fitness put on it over 3 years ago, and now they're trying to sue me. I didn't do any modifications to it, and as far as I knew, the car was completely legal. So once we have got this court case sorted out, I will get back to you and I will be telling you as much as I'm allowed to tell you about that. That maybe I'm not allowed to tell you anything, but currently, right now, I'm being sued. Go figure. Anyway, let's get on to today's content. Let's get a bit more pleasantness happening. Last week, I went to the Coffee and Classics up in Hampton Downs. Hampton Downs is halfway between Hamilton and Auckland here in New Zealand. It's a racetrack, um, and the last Sunday of every month, they host a Coffee and Classics. So you get all sorts of cars getting there and motorbikes. So, first time going there, and I thought I'd go there, take some photos and video, and you can come along and see which cars stood out to me. And there are usually quite a lot of cars and bikes, less in winter, obviously. But yeah, no, these ones were the ones that were standout cars for me. Now, I'm thinking, because winter's coming up for us here in New Zealand, daylight savings is happening tonight, that I figured I would start putting up videos of all the other car shows that I've been to. And you've got some good ones there that I've created, but not for YouTube yet, such as the Summer Nats. I've been to the Summer Nats a couple of times. Now, the cars in the Elite Hall at the Summer Nats are absolutely stunning. So, if this is something that you would like to see, please leave a comment below. I do read them, and hit like and subscribe. If not, well, hey, look, Thank you for taking the time to watch it this far, and without further ado, here are the cars from the Hampton Downs Coffee and Classics for March.